Begin with the learning session for this two-day-long conference. It is my proud privilege to request Dr. Soumitra Kumar, President, CSI West Bengal Chapter, to give his welcome address. Over to Dr. Soumitra Kumar.
Very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, members of the August audience. Greetings from CSI West Bengal branch and a very warm welcome to this summit on heart failure organized by CSI West Bengal branch. As you can see, it is a fully online or virtual conference and last in the series of all the conferences that we have organized this year. Incidentally, we have successfully organized 3 physical conferences, starting with Cardiac Prevent in April, followed by the well-known ICON conference on cardiac interventions in beginning of June, and then last was the cardiac imaging conference, both invasive and non-invasive, end of July. And this is the final one in the current calendar. And because of some uncertainties that was prevailing in middle of August, as you know, following the new NMC guidelines, that we decided unanimously to switch over to the virtual mode. And everything has its pros and cons. And the pros in this respect has been a terrific gathering of luminaries from across the globe. We have 8 international faculties participating in this virtual conference, 5 from United Kingdom and 3 from United States. And we have an equally eminent panel of faculty participating from all parts of the country and all parts of the eastern region, and of course the city of Kolkata. So very welcome faculty, and our heartfelt gratitude to each one of them for accepting our invitation to be part of this prestigious conference. Before I conclude, I must appreciate the very hard effort that has been put in by the scientific chair and more so by the organizing secretary, Dr. Shubhra Banerjee. Our scientific chair is Dr. Ani Mishra. Dr. Shubhra Banerjee has worked day in and day out to get this scientific program on board and this virtual conference happening really today. So my heartfelt gratitude to both of them, and I wish the conference all success, and I hope it is going to be fruitful, an enjoyable experience for all of you, and there will be something to take home from this virtual conference. Thank you very much and happy listening. So I now invite Dr. Shubhra Banerjee, please.
Thank you, Dr. Soumitra Kumar, sir. And now requesting our organizing secretary for Heart Failure Summit 2023, Dr. Shubhra Banerjee, to give his welcome address.
So thank you, President Dr. Soumitra Kumar, and good afternoon, everyone. As the organizing secretary, it's my privilege to welcome you all to the Heart Failure Summit 2023. As you are aware, this is an entirely online event. And the reason which Dr. Kumar has already mentioned is because it was conceived at the time when the NMC guidelines came into force. Although the guidelines were withdrawn later, we thought that this may give us an opportunity to have with us many national and international faculties of repute who otherwise probably wouldn't have had the time to travel the distance. I would just try to keep it short, but I would say like one important is the housekeeping part, and for the benefit of you all, the delegates, the faculties, what we would want is to strictly keep to the time. And I would therefore request the chairpersons and the panelists and the speakers, if you could please maintain the time as much as possible. And we would also help you from this end. Okay, so I think I wouldn't take much of time. So now you can relax, sit back, and enjoy the conference from the comfort of your home. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Banerjee. And now it is time that we begin with the first day, first session for the today long conference. And in order to begin that, may I please request our respected chairpersons and panelists, Dr. P.C. Mondol, Dr. Munna Das, Dr. Nobarun Roy, and Dr. Joyanta Sharma to begin with the first day session.